Voiceover. Hi there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to my channel Tech Too Fast. My name is Lance. Here we explore the fast-paced world of technology and innovation, dissecting complex concepts and making them simple for everyone. Today we're delving into a topic that's revolutionizing our world, particularly in the sector of agriculture. It's a technology that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, transforming the way we grow our food and manage our environment. So buckle up as we take a journey into the fascinating world of gene editing. From its dawn to its future, we'll discuss everything you need to know. Let's get started. Can you imagine a future where crops are immune to pests, diseases, and harsh climates? Welcome to the reality that gene editing brings to agriculture. This transformative science had humble beginnings, with its roots in the early curiosity of pioneering scientists. As they tinkered with DNA, the blueprint of life, they unveiled the potential to create stronger, more resilient crops. This sparked a wave of excitement in the farming community, opening up a world of possibilities. Gene editing in agriculture began as a concept, an idea, a dream, but its journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From its inception, gene editing has rapidly evolved, transforming the agricultural landscape. It's a fascinating journey, really, when you consider the leaps and bounds we've made in just a few short decades. In the early days, gene editing was a laborious, imprecise process. Scientists had to painstakingly identify the genes they wished to modify, and then hope for the best as they attempted to insert or remove sequences. The results were often unpredictable and progress was slow, but as our understanding of genetics grew, so did our ability to manipulate them. We developed more efficient techniques like CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary tool that allows scientists to cut and paste genes with remarkable precision. This was a game changer, opening up a world of possibilities in crop development. With these advanced tools in hand, scientists have been able to create crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for harmful pesticides and herbicides. They've also been able to enhance the nutritional content of crops, giving us foods that are healthier and more beneficial for our bodies. And let's not forget productivity. By tweaking the genes that control growth and maturation, scientists have been able to increase crop yields significantly, helping to feed our ever-growing population. Take the example of rice. Scientists have used gene editing to develop strains that are not only more resistant to diseases, but also more resilient in the face of harsh weather conditions. This means we can grow rice in places where it was previously impossible, helping to alleviate food shortages in some of the world's most vulnerable regions. Or consider the humble potato. By tweaking its genes, scientists have been able to increase its resistance to late blight, a disease that caused the infamous Irish potato famine. This has the potential to prevent similar disasters in the future, saving countless lives. With each evolution, gene editing has opened up new possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible in agriculture. And as we look to the future, it's clear that this is just the beginning. But like any revolutionary technology, gene editing has not been without controversy. There are concerns, fears even, that ripple through society when we talk about manipulating the very building blocks of life. The debate over genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, is a prime example. While they can potentially increase yield and enhance nutritional content, they also raise questions about long-term health impacts and environmental effects. There's also the argument that gene editing is akin to playing God, manipulating nature in ways we might not fully understand. The potential risks and unknowns can be daunting, fueling apprehension. Is it right to change a species' genetic code? Are we opening a Pandora's box that we can't close? These are the questions that keep ethicists up at night. But here's the thing, with every scientific advancement comes responsibility. As we continue to explore the potential of gene editing, it's critical that we balance innovation with ethical considerations. So, where does gene editing in agriculture go from here? As we gaze into the future, the potential of gene editing appears as boundless as the horizon itself. It's like we've been given a magic wand that allows us to manipulate the very fabric of life, and the implications for agriculture are staggering. Imagine crops that are not only resistant to pests and diseases, but also to herbicides. This means we could drastically reduce the amount of chemicals we pour into our fields, making farming more environmentally friendly and sustainable. Picture fruits and vegetables that are more nutritious, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies crave. The possibilities are endless. But this magic wand isn't going to wave itself. It requires continued research and investment. It's a big money game with big money returns. The corporations and countries that invest heavily in gene editing today could become the agricultural powerhouses of tomorrow, feeding billions while reaping enormous profits. Of course, this future isn't guaranteed. It requires us to navigate the tricky waters of public opinion and government regulation. It requires us to ensure that gene editing is used responsibly to benefit humanity rather than harm it. But if we can do that, then the future of agriculture looks incredibly bright. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier in agriculture, one thing is clear: gene editing has the potential to revolutionize our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. From its humble beginnings to its current state, gene editing has truly redefined the field of agriculture. It's made possible the creation of crops that are pest and disease resistant, more nutritious, and highly productive. Despite controversy around GMOs and human fears, the potential for gene editing is vast, including development of herbicide-resistant crops. As we look to the future, this big money research seeks big money returns. While the journey of gene editing in agriculture is far from over, it's clear that its impact has already been significant. And this, dear viewers, is just the beginning. Before we wrap up this video, we'd like to take a moment to thank you all for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of gene editing, or if you're curious about the latest tech innovations, we invite you to become part of our Tech Too Fast community. By subscribing to our channel, you'll get access to more enlightening content like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest and greatest in tech news. So let's continue this journey together, exploring the wonders of technology. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.